To integrate Bill4Time Payroll effectively, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved in the process. Firstly, ensure that your Bill4Time account is set up correctly, with all necessary employee and payroll information entered accurately. This includes setting up pay rates, benefits, and tax withholding information for each employee. Next, link your payroll account to Bill4Time, following the specific instructions provided by the software. This typically involves entering your payroll account credentials and authorizing the connection. Once connected, you can begin to configure your payroll settings, including pay periods, pay dates, and payroll frequencies. A crucial step in the integration process is mapping your Bill4Time data to your payroll system. This involves matching employee IDs, pay rates, and other relevant data to ensure seamless transfer of information. It is also important to set up payroll rules and filters to ensure that only relevant data is transferred and that any errors or discrepancies are caught and addressed. Best practices for Bill4Time payroll integration include regular reviews of payroll data to ensure accuracy and completeness, as well as ongoing monitoring of payroll processing to identify and resolve any issues promptly. Additionally, it is essential to maintain up-to-date payroll records and to comply with all relevant payroll laws and regulations. To illustrate the process, consider a law firm with multiple employees and contractors, each with different pay rates and benefits. By integrating Bill4Time with their payroll system, the firm can streamline payroll processing, reduce errors, and improve compliance with payroll regulations. For example, the firm can set up automatic payroll transfers, ensuring that employees are paid accurately and on time, and that all necessary taxes and benefits are withheld and reported. By following these best practices and taking a step-by-step approach to Bill4Time payroll integration, businesses can ensure a smooth and efficient payroll process, reduce administrative burdens, and improve overall financial management. Regular reviews and updates of payroll settings and data will also help to ensure ongoing compliance and accuracy, providing peace of mind and allowing businesses to focus on their core operations.